All right, I'm going to show you how to get your filter out of your Kenmore dishwasher. You're going to open the door just like I did, pull this all the way out, twist one of these blades, grab it, turn it, pull it, and you're going to take it and clean it. Because if you don't clean this thing, you could have problems. You need to squirt it. See how it just cleans up really easy? Just like that. Or you could take a brush and brush it. But this kind of works pretty good. See how all that's coming out of there? Watch, see this? Yep. Could do this. Okay, so now we've got a clean filter. Now let's put her back in. We're going to go under here. You got to move this, and you're going to slide that in like that, and then you got to twist it. See that little twisty I did on that? I put it in like that, right? And I twist it, and that locks it down. All right, that's how you do it. This is what's going on over here, by the way, all that noise. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and she makes a lot of noise.